So this park on Palm Beach was designed to flood during the king tides, and it definitely is. With a little help from Nicole. Here's just walking towards the intracoastal.
Hello, Will Greenlee from TC Palm and the St. Lucie News Tribune. Today is November 9th. It's about 10:35 or so in the morning. I've been driving along South Indian River Drive in Martin and St. Lucie counties, and the river is white-capped and very angry looking. Docks are being washed over with water. A portion of Indian River Drive is flooded and is motorists are passing through it very slowly. A St. Lucie County Sheriff's deputy is out here kind of directing traffic. Conditions appear to be quickly deteriorating before Tropical Storm Nicole. Stick with TC Palm and Will Greenlee today for more updates.